This channel doesn't use a camera, yet everything looks real. It's all 100% AI.
And it can run 24/7 without you.
By the end of this video, you will know how to create your own AI influencer without ever showing your face on camera.
I'm going to show you 3 different ways to create AI avatars, and each one gets more powerful. But the third method is what creators are using to scale content faster than ever. Before we get there, you need the foundation, because this first method is what makes everything else work. Most people think you need to record yourself to be on camera, but you don't. None of these avatars were filmed, they were generated. And here's the crazy part. You don't need to be a designer, a tech expert, or even record a single video. And all of this is done using AI tools. We are going to build your avatar in dzine.ai. Links in the description so you can follow along. Once inside, start a new project and open the character section. This is where your avatar comes to life. Choose the training mode. And you can either start with an image or start with a description. And this is where it gets powerful. You start with a name. Then you define how they look. Because instead of recording a person, you describe one. You define their appearance, hair, clothing, and overall style. The more detailed you are, the more accurate your character becomes. And here's the key. You are not describing a scene. You are creating an identity. Then choose the style of your character. This controls how they look: realistic, stylized, cinematic, or anything in between. And if you want more control, you can upload a face image and build from that. Once you are done, generate your character. If it's not quite right, you can regenerate until it is. You will get a couple of preview options. Choose the version you like and start training. Once your character is created, it becomes consistent. That means same face and same identity across every image you generate. But you can still change everything: outfits, scenes, backgrounds, even camera angles. In the prompt box, bring up your characters. Choose the character you created. Then describe how you want to see them. Pick an image model. Set the aspect ratio. And create. And just like that, your character appears in a completely new scene, with a new pose and a new environment. Describe what you want. And the outfit changes too, perfectly matching the scene. So now you don't just have an image. You have a reusable digital person. And the possibilities are endless. Drop that same character into any scene you can imagine. You are no longer limited by your room, your camera, or even yourself. You are only limited by what you can describe. And yet, they are only the beginning. What if you could bring them to life? This is where things start to feel a little unreal. With this, you can take any image and turn it into a fully animated character. Step into AI video and upload your image. It could be a generated character, a stock photo, or something you created yourself. Describe the video you want to see. Choose your video model from the available options. Kling 3 is a great place to start. Set the aspect ratio, quality, and duration, then let it generate. And within minutes, that still image begins to move. It blinks, it moves naturally, and it comes alive. Not just basic animation. We are talking about natural facial expressions, subtle head movements, and realistic eye focus. The kind of details your brain recognizes as real. And it works so well because the character was already consistent. Think about how long it normally takes to film a video. You record, mess up a line, start again, fix lighting, then adjust framing. That entire process will be gone. You now have an avatar video created from a single image. And don't worry, we will add lip sync with natural voices for all the avatars after the third method. Now, we take it a step further. Using your own image to create a cartoon-style avatar that's uniquely you, ready to move, gesture, and appear in any scene. Up to this point, the avatars were impressive, but they weren't you. This one is different. It captures your expressions, your personality, even your subtle gestures, while staying consistent across every scene. You start by dropping your image into the canvas, and style it. From there, using image to image, you can transform it however you want. Casual, cinematic, playful, or even full cartoon animation. For the prompt, just tap Describe Canvas, and it will automatically generate the perfect prompt for your avatar. In seconds, you are presented with multiple versions, each one feeling like a real character, but unmistakably yours. And the best part, you never have to show up on camera. Whether you are busy, traveling, or just don't feel like filming, your avatar handles it all. Once it's created, you can use the same methods from before to place it in any scene, any setting, any style. You can take it even further, using motion control to transfer movement from any video onto your character. Upload any video of movement along with your character, and transfer the motion onto your avatar. Now it gestures and performs exactly like the source. In the next step, we are going to make all of these avatars speak with perfect lip sync. Head over to the left panel and open the Lip Sync tab. Start by uploading a face image or a video. We will begin with a face image. As soon as you upload it, Dzine instantly detects the character's face. Select your aspect ratio, and the scene appears directly in the timeline. Now pick a voice. You can either upload your own audio or type in the dialogue. Preview different voices.
Hey, I'm Eris.
Choose the one that fits
Hey, I'm Ruby Roo, and you can.
and generate the audio.
I post content 24/7, and I'm completely AI.
Once you are happy with it, click Apply. Then simply drag your image to match the length of the audio. Choose between normal and pro mode. Set your output quality and click Generate. And just like that, your character comes to life.
I post content 24/7, and I'm completely AI.
The lip sync is precise, clean, and perfectly timed. But you'll notice something. While the lips move perfectly, the hands stay unnaturally still. And that's the limitation of this method. To go beyond that, this is where the other methods come in. Using the videos we created before, whether realistic or stylized, you can upload them as a face video and follow the exact same process, just like before. Add your audio, either upload a file or enter the dialogue and choose a voice. Generate the audio, then apply it. Adjust the video to match the timing. Select your generation mode, set the output quality, and generate.
And that's how you bring your AI influencer to life. Want to see more? Subscribe now and join me for the next AI creation.
And this method changes everything. Your characters don't just speak. They move, gesture, and feel completely natural.
If you want to try this yourself, I have linked the tool in the description below.
And that's how you create your own AI influencer. Hit the like button and subscribe to see what we build next. And if you want to go deeper, check out the next video on screen.